Cleaning your sprayer after each use will help you to get the most out of it. Sprayers left uncleaned tend to clog and the wear on parts is accelerated. When I was a kid growing up on a coffee farm, sprayer cleaning was not really an option since all we had was catchment rainwater. The valuable water was used to mix the herbicides we used in those days. Later, when I worked at the local experiment station, I learned the value and necessity of cleaning. I kept up the practice through my years as a commercial veg crop farmer, and even today, here in Japan, I clean my sprayers as soon as I get home. I bought the sprayer shown in this video 12 years ago. Another one by the same manufacturer lasted 13 years. The process I use in the video can be applied to diaphragm sprayers as well as others.